Skunkfest! Wilmotorsports is here. You guys can hear the background. Machines! So, of course, Wilmotorsports team is out here. We brought the White Walker, the Jeep, and we also brought the drift car, the E46. So, we're out here having a nice little vibe. Cars, bike, all sorts of machine there. It is crazy. Guys, the turnout is phenomenal, trust me. So, we're there, a whole vibe. Boy, we were walking around, getting a look at all of the cars, but trust me, we couldn't concentrate to film. I had to take in all of what we were seeing. So we got a few highlights. Some more cars came out, so we're going to see if we can get some more videos of the cars. But guys, sick, mad, crazy. Yo, Skunkfest is a vibe.
Yes, Nick Lue father then. Black Tiger. Black Tiger. Full team outside. What's it? It's still got the computer. Look, get up with the song. That's it. Outside. You ready? Don't slow, she don't hear if I boyfriend goes. Get a white mask and a song. No, your mafia is in flow. Blocks and clean and we got it close. We actually not shit. First person to come on up here real quick. First, stop. Are we talking about car enthusiasts right now? The first person to come on up here and tell me that get it correct. Are we? Come to with 800? 800? No, we're not going to VIP. We're not going to talk about the audience. What's it? 800 R4, G80, rock. What do you say? 530, G80, rock. Hold on, we're talking about stock bar, go. Stock hardcore. 473. As you see, quick and fast. Skunkfest 2026. Nick Lue, pick up yourself. Shine you. People are going to Sean and the jerk chicken round there. Bias jerk chicken. One round there. All Island can. If you just trying to just want to say Skunkfest 2026.
Guys, is that Nick actually paid homage to some of the very influential, active and long-standing supporters, participants of motorsports, from photographers, racers, the whole works. And Nigel was actually a recipient of one of the awards. His award is for outstanding participation across all genres of motorsports. So of course, Nigel does every genre of motorsports. He's very active in drag racing, dexterity. He did Dover, circuit racing. He did rally, the whole works. Want to have a wheel on a motor? Nigel that. So this was really commendable from Nick, and it's really appreciative towards the Wilmotorsports team, and just to highlight, you know, the achievements that Nigel has gained over the years. Trust me, this, big up Nick, big up Skunk Lifestyle all the time.
For events, every event, you must see some level of improvement for the racers, the spectators, everybody involved. So just want to thank everybody for this support over the years. Thank Nick for the recognition. We always handing out trophies but never receiving one. So it's just a humble work in the background and giving God thanks for this blessing. And thank you all for all of the love and support. Big up.
Thank you, big up yourself, bro. One love. The Skunkfest team and Printer Tune and Project X. That is it. Big him up, Philip. Alright, level. Alright, so Skunkers, let me just share something with you. a lot of y'all would not know this, but I'm not really one that's fond of the camera, right? But when I have to get into what you call character, I get into character, right? So that's a fun fact that you probably wouldn't know. When we just started off with, doing Skunk Nation, and big up to Steve Wang and everybody in the place. So, well, Eddie not here, but big up to Steve Wang. Yeah, that's my brother. We started Skunk Nation, and we continued with the passion. So Rory Daly was the first person to actually give me one of my highlights in the Jamaica Observer. That was a big moment for me. And this is not about me. This is about what Rory has done for motorsports throughout the years, capturing and editing. So for your years of outstanding and consistent motorsports coverage, Rory Daly, big up yourself. Always big him up the place. What you have to say?
I always say this. I didn't discover you. You're always a star. I was just fortunate enough to be a part of the uncovering of that brilliance. I don't have to say anything else. Your word stands 100% here. And that's this.
Big up yourself. Give me a round of applause for these people. Alright. Skunkers, I really love the part of it because we love to know that we can use a platform to honor people and honor people that's been doing some serious work in motorsports. But let me ask you a question. If you guys ever heard about Donovan Montague, D-Montague photography, right? This man has been shooting motorsports from before I know myself. Right? Not saying it all. But on a real level, growing up, before I started doing Skunk Nation, you'd always see the D-Monty and Mikey Spice. Rest in peace to Mikey Spice, right?
Rest in peace,
right? You'd always see their photography coverage, and these are really integral part and people that play a big role in motorsports. So, D-Monty, before anything, not now Auntie, but before anything Auntie, you can't say you never thought of Skunkfest. I want to honor you because you deserve to be honored, right? For outstanding contributions to motorsport photography for over 3 decades, so that's for over 30 years. Let's all big up Donovan Montague, please. That's it.
Thank you.
Alright, big up, and a few words. Alright, Skunkers, boy. Racing nice enough. Let me tell you something about racing. Racing is one of those, and I'm not talking about racing on the road, I'm talking about racing on the track. It's one of those sweet release of endorphins and, trust me, adrenaline. But let me share a fun fact with you all. This man right here beside me, very integral part in motorsport and drag racing. And let me tell you something, COVID could have killed, he could have sick, his foot could have blocked. This man has never missed a drag race event as a racer or a spectator, right? So you see, you know this, and guess what, I'm not racing the poison, because last you took quick off the line. But anyways, Skunkfest, for consistent participation and dedication to drag racing, let's all big up Mr. Seymour Speed on this. Give me a round of applause.
Respect. I'm not know that I words, but respect and everybody participating. I'm gonna race with them.
Skunkers, they beat him, but put down the engine and listen it up, so bring him up straight, right? That is it. Give him a round of applause. Alright, one last one. We actually had one more, but he's not here today. So I'll do that one online. But this one now, let me share something about this fellow beside me right here. And what I love about motorsports, they all become brothers and sisters to me in the game. Once you're in this game, we automatically become family, right? Yeah? Alright, so we're all family right now, Skunkers. Trust me, best believe. They are the Skunkers and the family. So let me tell you the best part about Nigel. Nigel does every type of motorsports, every genre. I could have gig anything the man have an engine, he's a part of. So I want us to big up Nigel for your outstanding participation across all genres of motorsports. So give him a round of applause for this. That is great drifting. The off-roading, all of that stuff. Man. So Nigel, what do you have to say? You know, big up and respect to everybody who has kept motorsports alive over the years. Nick is one of them. We've been linking up from Manapart days, which was his first come show. 2012, from that time there, we're going to support each other and win the thing. So we're just going to keep motorsports going and big up to all the for where he's taking motorsports and big up to everybody who has participated and who has spectated.
Yep, all right.
Just drink a cup of bleach when I go in. Everybody when they say no. See the apocalypse a come round here. See the six-wheel truck a come round here. Alright. I'm gonna hit this here. You have a hardy.
Who is the real jugger? See me here. Who's the bonus story?
Yeah, the apocalypse, no more.
shine.
Apocalypse, stay away there.
Killer charge pass.
Apocalypse, stay away there.
Get rich in your crew, you will see. Guitars in your face,
Alright,
you
see
see.
ya.
5 series, blast off like a jet. Millions when you like one, I book a lick. One night, me buy a next flip. Fuck your girl, make a step step. She get wet, belly broke, free your bestie. Ring girl can't see me check fit. I man up in a EGS, flow down, me buy a prepaid. Who is the real jugger? See me here, buzz up on a skull, get like cream here. How you no sleep here? Bill a charge pass, but I get rich in your crew, you will see snake. Guitars in your face,
Start sell white stone like a fuck down kitchen now.
This McLaren.
Well, guys, the rain started coming down. Thankful because we were worried that it was going to rain out the event, but God hold up the rain. So props to that. Such an amazing show. So we're going to actually pack up now because rain has come down. So guys, Skunkfest is where you should have been.